can order whatever you want, baby. I mean, I don't know how the shrimp is here, but the calamari is magnificent. I know you used to potato chips. You know what I'm saying? Cold cuts, but it's a new day. Enjoy yourself. I be in the telly counting pesos, breaking my ATL bitch back, bumping bankroll. Dutchess full of boss today. Connect name Jorge told me if rap slow up, he will help me feel the coche. I was like, no sé. Started with some verses, now they watching me close, wanting me to consider mergers. I ain't even doing the most. Truth be told, I'm hardly working. My paper come automatic. It's been package after package after package. Pulled up with a duck in the range. You was sitting there holding out a cup, shaking some change, ain't it strange? We used to have scrambled eggs for dinner. Now I deal with inventors. Venice Beach for the winter. I might ski in the summer, or I might be in the tundra with a hood rat bitch. You gon' want some Nikes if I fuck her. What the fuck if she roll a blunt and always wanna suck dick? It's fine. When I'm finished, she can go crazy in the finish line. Until another bitch start hitting me and she got upset. Took them Air Maxes back quick and said, watch your step. Ponte que dice estúpida, tranquilita. Got the foreign outside with your shorty smoking gas in it. Told her I'll be back, I'm about to get the bag. If it's all about the chips, you know who got the potatoes. You know who got the potatoes, baby. Got the foreign outside with your shorty smoking gas in it. Told her I'll be back, I'm about to get the bag. If it's all about the chips, you know who got the potatoes. You know Soul Assassin's the label. In the club, N92 mask on, letting ruffles fly. In Medellin, I got a cool ranch. If you come inside, you gon' see a techo de vidrio from dead gringos. Statements from a bank that I constantly fed Pringles. Shit to leave you crispy in the ride, cause you gotta be cautious. Shit, I was wise when everybody was salty. Now all my bitches is freaky and them kids is all queasy. Counted up for an hour, now my fingers all cheesy. And yeah, I got it amigos, but that ain't nothing to me, so I call up my dos amigos, throw them a bag of Tostitos. Like handle that and dip. You would think powder was the substance. They got me laying in hammocks, smoking sour cream and onions. It's nothing, let a lame talk slick, cause he sloppy. They gon' find him with something in his neck the size of a taki. No karate, don't wanna hear my name on a bum's lips. Might wind up in a bag if you been plotting on sun chips. Got the foreign outside with your shorty smoking gas in it. Told her I'll be back, I'm about to get the bag. If it's all about the chips, you know who got the potatoes. You know who got the potatoes, baby. I got like 4 potatoes on me right now. With your shorty smoking gas in it. I'm about to get the bag if it's. You know who got the potatoes. Monte got the label.
Crimeapple. DJ Monks.